As Syracuse, New York stages the Loyola Greyhounds and the Syracuse Orange. Sam Swart, 3 and white, dashing to her left. She shoots, she bounces it in.
Freshman year.
Ward shoots and puts it in.
Yes.
Earlier this season, she walks in, shoots, and scores.
Pressure defense on Syracuse. They're coming way out past the 12.
Oh, Markey shoots and buries it.
Player, she does exactly what she needs to do. And she does it.
She absolutely does. Loyola has not scored in over 10 minutes as Rosenzweig, a darting pass to the front, and Jillian Wilson converts.
Two of their best players and still number 3 in the country.
Well, the reason why is a freshman in Emma Ward, and that is a snipe.
That's huge.
Oh, nice pass in front. Swart dekes and buries it. Round at halftime right here on ESPN+.
Smart play by Sierra Cockerell.
Open Tyrell in front. That's Cash. Shoots. Goldstock comes up with it. Amber Bustard, the reserve goalie, waits as a pass goes in, and Sam Swart carpet burns it in. 11-4 Syracuse.
Going into the second half.
Sydney Black in the slot, and Goldstock matches it with a beautiful save off the shaft of the stick. In second team All-ACC selection, passes towards the right doorstep, and Emily L. finishes. Filling those gaps defensively. Then a pass goes in for Jillian Wilson, who booms it in. First round, 2019, Syracuse made a run to the quarterfinal as Megan Tyrell scores again for Syracuse, her 5th to shoot with Klugel. Handoff Rosenzweig, pinpoint pass in the front, and Carolla slots it in. In this second round of the NCAA tournament, Megan Tyrell now has 7 goals. The Orange move on to the quarterfinal and face Florida.